Let's do differentiation using the quotient rule. Okay, first one, y is equal to 5x cubed plus 5x square plus 4. Okay, dy by dx. The rule says that you take the denominator, write it as it is 5x square plus 4. Now differentiate the numerator. So 15x square minus, then the differentiation derivative of the denominator. So 10x times the numerator as it is divided by the denominator to the power of whatever is there plus 1. So 1 is there, so 2 square. That's the only calculus part. Now we just simplify it. So 15 fives 75 x to the power of 4 plus 15 4 60 x square minus 50 x of 4 by 5x square plus 4 square. Denominator, don't expand it too early because then you will have to end up writing it again and again. Okay, so here 75 minus 50 is 25 x4 plus 60 x square by this becomes 25x4 plus 5 to 10 4 40 x square plus 16. So that is the derivative. Okay, second one, y is equal to 2x cubed by 2x4 minus 3. Again, dy by dx is equal to the denominator as it is, derivative of the numerator minus the derivative of the denominator 8x cubed times the numerator as it is divided by the denominator power 1 plus, so 2x4 minus 3 square. Okay, now simplify. 6 to 12 x to the power of 6 minus 18 x square minus 8 to 16 x to the power of 6 divided by 2x4 minus 3 square. So this gives us minus 4x6 minus 18x square by 4x8 minus 2 to 4 3 is 12. So 12x4 and plus 9. We can't really simplify it further. Okay, third one is y is equal to x to the power of 5 by 2x4 minus 2. So dy by dx is equal to the denominator as it is, derivative of the numerator 5x4 minus the derivative of the denominator 8x cubed times x to the power of 5 by 2x4 minus 2 square, which gives us 5 to 10 x to the power of 8 minus 10 x to the power of 4 minus 8 x to the power of 8 divided by 2x4 minus 2 square, which gives us 10 minus 8 is 2x to the power of 8 minus 10x4 by, now we expand this, 4x to the power of 8 minus 2 2 is 8x4 minus 4. Now here there is 2 common. So what we can do is divide everything by 2. 2 ones, 2 fives, 2 twos, 2 fours, 2 twos. Unless we are able to, divide everything, we can't do anything. Now here everything is divisible by 2. So the answer is x to the power of 8 minus 5x to the power of 4 by 2x to the power of 8 minus 4x to the power of 4 minus 2. Okay, this we can, further simplify it just to complete it off. X to the power of 8 minus 5x 4. 2 is common to all of them. So x to the power of 8 minus 2x4 minus 1. And if you think about it, you will realize that this is nothing but divided by 2 times x to the power of 4 minus 1 square, right? X to the power of 8 minus 2 times 1 times 1. So 2 x to the power of 4, so minus 2 x to the power of 4 and plus 1. This should be minus 1. This should be plus 2. See, here I had made a mistake. See, unless I had tried to do this, I would not have realized that I have made a mistake. Okay, anyhow, fourth one. Y is equal to 3 by x cubed plus 2. So dy by dx is equal to x cube plus 2 times 3 is a constant, so the derivative is 0 minus the derivative of the denominator. So 3x square times 3 divided by x cube plus 2 square, which gives us minus 9x square by x to the power of 6 plus 4x cube plus 4. Okay, pretty straightforward. Next is fifth one. Y is equal to 2 by 5x cube plus 3. So dy by dx is equal to 5x cube plus 3 times 0 minus 15x square times 2 divided by 5x cube plus 3 square, which gives us minus 30x square divided by 25x6 plus 5 to 10 3s 30x cube plus 9. Sixth one. Y is equal to 5 by 5x4 plus 4. So dy by dx is equal to 5x4 plus 4 times 0 minus 20x cube 20x cube times 5 divided by 5x4 plus 4 square, which gives us minus 100x cube by 25x to the power of 8 plus 5 to 10 for 40x4 plus 60. Okay, seventh one. Let's change gears now. Y is equal to 4x5 plus 1 divided by 3x square minus 2. Just follow the same procedure. So dy by dx is equal to the denominator as it is, the derivative of the numerator. So 20x4 minus the numerator as it is, the derivative of the denominator. So 6x divided by 3x square minus 2 square. Simplify. So 3 to 6, 60x to the power of 6 minus 40x to the power of 4 minus 6 4 24x to the power of 6 minus 6x divided by 3x square minus 2 the whole square. Okay. So now simplify this. 60 minus 24 is 36x to the power of 6 minus 40x to the power of 4 minus 6x and divided by, now let's expand it off. So 9x to the power of 4 minus 3 to 6 to 12x square plus 4. Yes. So that is the seventh one. Now eighth one is y is equal to x to the power of 5 plus 2x4 divided by 5x cube plus 5. So dy by dx, the denominator as it is, the derivative of the numerator. So 5x4 plus 8x cube minus uh, numerator as it is x to the power of 5 plus 2x4 and the derivative of the denominator, that is 15x square divided by 5x cube plus 5 square, which gives us 25x to the power of 7 plus 5 8 40 x to the power of 6 plus 25 x to the power of 4 plus 5 8 40 x cube minus 15 x to the power of 7 minus 15 to 30 x to the power of 6 divided by 5x cube plus 5 square. Okay. So 25 minus 15 is 10 x to the power of 7. 40x6 minus 30x6 is plus 10x6 plus 25x4 plus 40x cube divided by 25x6 plus 5 to 10 5 is 50x cube plus 25. Here it looks as if there is some room for cancellations, right? These are all multiples of 5, these are all multiples of 5. So let's 5 twos, 5 twos, 5 fives, 5 eights, 5 fives, 5 tens, 5 fives. So which means this would be 2x to the power of 7 plus 2x to the power of 6 plus 5x to the power of 4 plus 8x cube divided by 5x to the power of 6 plus 10x cube plus 5. Okay, so that is the eighth one. Now let's look at the ninth problem. See, your answer should always be in such a way that cancellations are not available. So it has to be in the simplest form, and you should not have negative exponents. Basically, that's the idea. Ninth one, y is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 3x square by x cube plus 4. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to x cube plus 4, denominator as it is, 4x cube plus 6x minus, now the derivative of the denominator, so 3x square times x to the power of 4 plus 3x square divided by x cube plus 4 square, 4x6 plus 6x4 plus 16x cube plus 4 24 minus 3x6 minus 9x4 divided by x cube plus 4 square. Okay, this gives us 4x6 minus 3x6. So that is x6 plus 6x4 minus 9x4. So minus 3x4 plus 16x cubed plus 24x divided by x to the power of 6 plus 4 to 8x cube plus 60. Okay, 10th problem, y is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube divided by 3x to the power of 4 plus 3. So dy by dx is equal to 3x4 plus 3, denominator as it is, derivative of the numerator. So 4x cube plus 6x square minus, now the derivative of the denominator. So 12x cube times x to the power of 4 plus 2x cube, numerator as it, divided by 3x4 plus 3 square. Okay, simplification. So 4 3 is 12, x to the power of 7 plus 6 3 is 18, x 6 plus 12 x cube plus 6 3 is 18 x square minus 12 x to the power of 7 minus 12 to 24 x 6 divided by 3 x 4 plus 3 square. Now 12x7 minus 12x7 cancels out. 18x6 minus 24x6 minus 6x6 plus 12x cubed plus 18x square divided by 9x8 plus 3 to 6 3 is 18x 4 plus 9. Okay, again if you notice all the coefficients are divisible by 3. So 3 twos, 3 fours, 3 six, 3 threes, 3 6, 3 3, which means the answer is minus 2x6 plus 4x cubed plus 6x square divided by 3x8 plus 6x4 plus 3. Okay, 11th one. Y is equal to x to the power of 4 plus 5 by 4x square plus 5. dy by dx is equal to 4x square plus 5 4x cube minus 8x times x to the power of 4 plus 5 divided by 4x square plus 5 square, which gives us 4 4 16 x 5 plus 20 x cube minus 8 x 5 minus 40x divided by 4x square plus 5 square, which gives us 8x5 plus 20x cube minus 40x divided by 16x4 plus 4 twos 8, 8 fives 40x square plus 25. Okay, there's no common divide, number by which we can divide all these. So we leave it as it is. Now 12th one. Y is equal to 4x to the power of 5 plus 3x to the power of 4 divided by 2x square plus 4. So dy by dx is equal to 2x square plus 4, 20x4 plus 12x cube minus 4x times 4x to the power of 5 plus 3x to the power of 4 divided by 2x square plus 4 square. Okay, which is equal to 2 to 4 40x 6 plus 24x 5 plus 80x4 plus 12 fours 48 x cube minus 16x6 minus 12x5 divided by 2x square plus 4 square. Okay, now 40 minus 16 is 24x6. 20 plus 24 minus 12, so plus 12x5 plus 80x4 plus 48x cube divided by 4x4 plus 2 2's 4 4 4 16 x square plus 16. Now let's see. This is the smallest, so we can see that all of them are divisible by 4. So 4 ones, 4 fours, 4 fours, 4 6, 4 3, 4 20, 4 ones, 4 twos. So our answer is 6x6 plus 3x5 plus 20x4 plus 12x cube divided by x to the power of 4 plus 4x square plus 4. So that is the 12th problem. Now let's do the 13th one. So y is equal to 5x to the power of 4 plus 4 divided by 2 times fifth root of x square plus 2. Okay, looks complicated, but we know how to reform it. So 5x to the power of 4 plus 4 by 2 times x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 2, right? So now dy by dx is equal to the denominator as it is and derivative of the numerator. So 20x cubed minus the derivative of the denominator. So this will give us 4 by 5 x to the power of 2 by 5 minus 1. So 2 minus 5. So minus 3 by 2 times 5x4 plus 4 divided by 2x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 2 square. Now let's simplify this. 20 to 40 x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 3. So 5 is 15 plus 2 17 by 5 plus 40x cube minus 5 5 cancel, so 4x to the power of 3 by 2 plus 4 3, no, this should be not 3 by 2, it should be 5. So 5 fours 20, 20 minus 3 is 17 by 5, again minus 4 4 16 by 5 x to the power of minus 3 by 5 divided by 2 x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 2 square. Okay, so now these two are like terms. So 36 x to the power of 17 by 5 plus 40 x cube minus 16 by 5 x to the power of minus 3 by 5 divided by 2 x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 2 square. Now what we have to do is we have to get rid of this 5 minus 3 by 5. So let's take it out. X to the power of minus 3 by 5 by 5. If we take it out, what do we get? 36 fives. So 6 fives 30, 0, 3, 3 fives 15, 18, x to the power of. Now this is the tricky part. This plus this should give us 17 by 5. So minus 3 by 5 plus x equal to 17 by 5. So x equal to 17 by 5 plus 3 by 5, which gives us 20 by 5, which is 4. So x to the power of 4 plus same thing again, uh, 40 times 5, so 200 x to the power. Now same thing here, minus 3 by 5 plus x should give us 3. So x will be 3 plus 3 by 5, which is 5 is 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. So this will be 18 by 5 minus, and here only 16 is left. Okay, divided by let's write it as it is. So minus plus 2 to the power of 2. Now this we bring it to the denominator. So this will come like this, and this will come as 3 by 5, right? So 180 x to the power of 4 plus 200 x to the power of 18 by 5 minus 16 divided by, okay, so now let's first expand of this. 5x to the power of 3 by 5 times 4x to the power of 4 by 5 plus 2 twos 4 twos 8 x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 4. This gives us 180 x to the power of 4 plus 200 x to the power of 18 by 5 minus 16 divided by 20 x to the power of 7 by 5 plus 5 8 40 x to the power of 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5, that is 5 by 5, which is 1, plus 20 x to the power of 3 by 5. Now here again everything is divisible by 4. So 4 fours, 4 fifties, 4 4 4 16, 4 4 16, 5, 4 tens and 4 fives. So, which means our answer is going to be 45 x to the power of 4 plus 50 x to the power of 18 by 5 minus 4 divided by 5 x to the power of 7 by 5 plus 10 x plus 5 x to the power of 3 by 5. So, this was one step of calculus and n number of steps of algebra. Let's do the 14th one. Y is equal to 3x to the power of 4 by 4 by plus 4 by 5 minus 4 by x cube. We know we can rewrite this as 3x to the power of 4 plus 4 by 5 minus 4x to the power of minus 3, right? dy by dx is equal to denominator as it is 5 minus 4x to the power of minus 3 times the derivative of the numerator. So 12x cube minus the derivative of the denominator. So 12x to the power of minus 4 plus no times 3x to the power of 4 plus 4 divided by 5 minus 4x to the power of minus 3 square, which is equal to 12 5 60 x cube minus 48 uh, plus no minus 12 3 is 36 x to the power of minus 4 plus 4 will be 0, so x to the power of 0 is 1, then minus 48 x to the power of minus 4 divided by 5 minus 4 x to the power of minus 3 square, which gives us 60x cube minus 84 minus 48 x to the power of minus 4 divided by, let's expand it, 25, no x here, 25 minus 5 to 10, 10 4 is 40, so 40 x to the power of minus 3 plus 4 4 16 x to the power of minus 6. Now we have to get rid of this negative exponents, right? So let's take x to the power of minus 4 out. So what do we get? 60 x to the power of 7. 7 minus 4 is 3, right? Then minus 84 x to the power of 4. So 4 minus 4 is 0. So x to the power of 0 is 1. Okay, minus 48 as it is. Similarly, here x to the power of minus 6, we take it out. So we are left with 25 x to the power of 6 minus 40 x to the power of 3. So minus 6 plus 3 is minus 3 plus 16. And here, what do we get? Here, x to the power of minus 4 cancels. So we are left with x to the power of minus 2. So if we take it to the numerator, because again we don't want negative exponent, so x square times, this should be actually 60. See, it was 60 here. Here I missed writing 0. So 60x to the power of 7 minus 84x4 minus 48 divided by 25x6 minus 40x cube plus 60. And finally, let's multiply it out. So 60x to the power of 9 minus 84x to the power of 6 minus 48x square by 25x6 minus 40x cube plus 60. Okay, so 15th one. Y is equal to x square minus 4 by 4 times the cube root of x square plus 5. Again, let's rewrite it as x square minus 4 by 4 times x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 5. Okay. So dy by dx would be 4x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 5 as it is, and the derivative of the numerator minus x square minus 4 numerator as it is, and the derivative of the denominator, which gives us 8 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 minus 1, which is minus 1 by 3. Okay, divided by 4x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 5 square, which gives us 8x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 1. So 3 plus 2, 5 by 3. And then plus 10x minus 8 by 3x to the power of 2 minus 1 by 3. So 2 minus 1 by 3 is 3 to 6 minus 1. So 5 by 3 plus. Then we have 4 8 32 by 3 x to the power of minus 1 by 3 divided by 4x 2 by 3 plus 5 square. Okay. Again, like terms. So let's first combine them. So 3 8 24 minus 8 is 16x to the power of 5 by 3 plus 10x plus 32 by 3x to the power of minus 1 by 3 divided by 4x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 5 square. Okay. Now we need to get rid of that minus 1 by 3, right? X to the power of minus 1 by 3. So what we'll do is we'll take it out. So when we take it out, x to the power of minus 1 by 3, we take it out. What do we get? We get, again, remember as we did previously, minus 1 by 3 plus x. X is variable, not this x, it's general. So is should be equal to 5 by 3. So x equal to 5 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is 6 by 3, which is 2. So this will be 16x square plus 10x to the power of 1 should be there. So 4 minus 1, 3. So 3 by 3 is 1. So 4 by 3 plus 32 by 3, right? Divided by 4x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 5 square, which gives us, now this 3 also we have to take it out. Okay, so let's do that as well, and we can take this x to the power of minus 1 by 3 down, so this cancels out. 1 by 3 we take it out, so that comes in the denominator 3, but here we have to multiply these two terms by 3. So 16 3 48 x square plus 30 x to the power of 4 by 3 plus 32. Remember, we took the LCM 3, we added up all these, and the denominator 3 came down. Now let's expand the this bracket. So 4 4 16 x to the power of 4 by 3 plus 4 2's 8 8 5's 40 x to the power of 2 by 3 plus 25, which gives us 48x square plus 30x to the power of 4 by 3 plus 32 by 16 threes 48x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 4 by 3 is 5 by 3 plus 120x to the power of 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3 is 3 by 3, which is 1, plus 25 times 3 is 75x to the power of 1 by, that's the 15th one. Let's look at the 16th one. Y is equal to 5x cube plus 5 by 2 plus 1 by x cube, which can be written as, again remember, in the this is another way in which we can 5x cube plus 5 The denominator we add up, so we get 2x cubed plus 1 by x cube. That x cube we can bring it on top, so that this becomes 5x to the power of 6 plus 5x cube by 2x cube plus 1. We can do it like this. It's also, and or we can instead of writing 1 by x cube, we can write it as x to the power of minus 3. Okay, so dy by dx is equal to 2x cube plus 1 times 6 by 30 x to the power of 5 plus 15x square minus 6x times 5x to the power of 6 plus 5x cubed divided by 2x cubed plus 1 square. Okay, simplification, 32 60x to the power of 8 plus 15 to 30 x to the power of 5 plus 30 x to the power of 5 plus 15x square minus 30 x to the power of 7. Then we have minus 30 x to the power of 4 minus the derivative of the denominator. So 6x square times 5x 6 plus 5x cube divided by 2x cube plus 1 square. So this gives us 60x to the power of 8 plus 30x to the power of 5 plus 30x to the power of 5 plus 15x square minus 30x to the power of 8 minus 30x to the power of 5 divided by 2x cube plus 1 square. So here this 30x to the power of 5 and minus 30x to the power of 5 cancels, and we have 60 minus 30 is 30x to the power of 8 plus 30x to the power of 5 minus plus 15x square divided by 4x 6 plus 4x cube plus, that's the answer. Now let's look at the 17th one. Y is equal to 5x square plus 4 by 3 times the fifth root of x square plus 4. Okay, we know this can be written as 5x square plus 4 by 3 times x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 4. So dy by dx would be denominator as it is 3x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 4 times the derivative of the numerator. So 10x minus now the numerator as it is and the derivative of the denominator. So 3 to 6 by 5 x to the power of 2 by 5 minus 1. So that is minus 3 by 5 divided by 3x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 4 square, which is equal to, now here 30x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 1 is 7 by 5 plus 40x minus 5 cancels. So 6x to the power of 2 minus 3 by 5. 2 minus 3 by 5 is 5 to 10 minus 3, 7 by 5 minus uh, 4 6 24 by 5 x to the power of minus 3 by 5 divided by 3x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 2, no, not 2, 4 square. Okay, now x to the power of 7 by 5. So 30 minus 6 is 24 x to the power of 7 by 5 plus 40x minus 24 by 5 x to the power of minus 3 by 5 divided by 3x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 4 square. Okay, so now we have to take out 5 and minus 3 by 5. So what do we do? Let's take x to the power of minus 3 by 5 by 5 out. What do we get? We get 24 times 5. So that is going to be 120 x. So we know minus 3 by 5 plus something should be equal to 7 by 5. So which means that something will be 7 by 5 plus 3 by 5, which is 10 by 5, which is square, plus 5 fours 20. So 200 x. Now the numerator, this is to the power of 1. So that means numerator, so it has to be 5 by 5. For it to be 5 by 5, this should be 8 minus 3. So 8 by 5 minus 24 divided by 3x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 4 square. So this we can bring it down. So 120 x square plus 200 x to the power of 8 by 5 minus 24 divided by 5x to the power of 3 by 5 times 9x to the power of 4 by 5 plus 3 to 6 4 24 x to the power of 2 by 5 plus 16, which is going to be equal to 120 x square plus 200 x to the power of 8 by 5 minus 24 divided by 9 5s of 45 x to the power of 4 plus 3 7 by 5, then plus 24 5s 120 x 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5 is 5 by 5, which is 1, plus 16 5 is 80 x to the power of 3 by 5. And finally the 18th one, y is equal to x square plus 5 by 2x to the power of 5 by 3 plus 5. So dy by dx is equal to 2x to the power of 5 by 3 plus 5 times 2x minus x square plus 5 times 10 by 3 x to the power of 5 by 3 minus 1. So 5 minus 3 by 3. So that is 2 by 3 divided by 2x to the power of 5 by 3 plus 5 square. So now let's simplify this. 2 to 4x to the power of 5 by 3 plus 1 plus 10x minus 10 by 3 x to the power of 2 plus 2 by 3 minus 50 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3, okay, divided by 2x to the power of 5 by 3 plus 5 square. Now this would be equal to this and this are like terms. So uh, 4 3 is 12, 12 minus 10 is 2 by 3 x to the power of 8 by 3 plus 10x minus 50 by 3 x to the power of 2 by 3 divided by 2x to the power of 5 by 3 plus 5 square, which gives us now the 3 in the denominator, we have to take it out. So what we'll do is 1 by 3 2x to the power of 8 by 3 plus 30x minus 50x to the power of 2 by 3 divided by, so 4x to the power of 10 by 3 plus 2 to 4 20x to the power of 5 by 3 plus 25, and this 1 by 3 will come down and get multiplied with this. So we have 2x to the power of 8 by 3 plus 30x minus 50x 2 by 3 by 12x to the power of 10 by 3 plus 60x to the power of 5 by 3 and plus 75. Is that right? So that is differentiating using the quotient rule. That's it. Bye.